Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, I was thinking originally this was the end of a pullback right here, but this is definitely not the shape of an impulsive move. This is an impulsive move over here. This is actually more something that would make me think this is another ABC pullback, and maybe it's actually going to end up continuing down, especially looking at like the US dollar index and other US dollar pairs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, right now I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Honestly, it kind of looks like it might have already made a three-way pullback. We got three waves up to the 78%. We got impulsive down. What's really going to prove that this is back into the down move is a break of structure to the downside, which we don't have yet. Now, today is supposed to be non-farm payroll news, but because of the U.S. government shutdown, I think they are delaying that news event. So there possibly could be some uncertainty in the markets today. Definitely could be a little bit of either a sideways rangy market or maybe even a little bit of volatility like spikes. Kind of hard to tell. Definitely some uncertainty because of that U.S. government shutdown. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.